This, of course, is the collector's edition, because I am that sort of guy. I mean, first impressions, wow, holy God. Also, I will give credit. Thank you for my wife for buying this as an early Christmas present for me. Worth every penny of her money. Thank you very much. So, she's in the background, yes. I mean, what can I say? It's stunning. The quality, Steve's done this on his own. The quality is superb. I'm gonna just, as you can see, the spine here, the back, the slipcase is gorgeous. There are 2 posters with it, for the budding Ford collector to go in your garage. In the slipcase, he completed an absolutely beautiful book. He got it done. He discovered there was more bits and pieces that he'd love to fit in, but he couldn't. So instead of just doing and leaving it for the next time, he did a little scrapbook. We'll come to that now in a second. It's beautiful. I mean, the quality of the paper, everything. For the sado who likes collecting these sort of books, yeah, new book smell. Absolutely stunning. Again, personal letter that comes with it, signed and numbered. But I mean, the book is absolutely beautiful. The quality is off the chart. Slipping through it again, you're gonna see stuff in that. Escorts you never thought you heard about, but never actually got to see out of the vault. Again, the budding Mark III, the Erica. Erica was not impressed. The 2-seater, even stuff such as the Granada. I mean, look at that. I don't want to give too much away on this because, you know, obviously you should buy it yourself if you're a Ford lover. This is absolutely stunning. So if names like Diana, Bobcat, Project Carla mean anything to you, I mean, this is going to be right up your alley. I mean, the stuff, again, other people will know. The Mercedes Sierra Cosworth, which was mooted but never happened. I have a particular penchant for the Cougar myself, and the oft mentioned but never rarely seen the ST Cougar, which was designed but never came out. I'm a particular lover for 2 unloved Fords. One is being the Scorpio. Yes, the frog-eyed, absolutely hideous thing, but it was... Looking through it again, just give you a little tease of that. Stuff like United 83, a Sierra luxury convertible, more than a hint of the US involvement on that. Some of the concept Capris that they were trying to do as roadsters to compete with the MX-5. The Escort Capri Camback. Interested to see, thank God that never came out. But it is absolutely just so much to take in, such beautiful quality. I would probably say, look, whatever version you buy, you will not be disappointed with it. Just to give you a flick through that. As I said, you shouldn't listen to me. You should, however, just take a look through this book and go, oh, you know what? Yeah, that guy knows nothing, but that book is beautiful. And that's really the only thing. I mean, yeah. Look at that. So again, Steve Saxty has done it. As with all things Ford, the more he gets out, the more he discovers there may be more to come. As Ford are clearly quite impressed with his work. So look, guys, this is just... first impressions is off the chart. Get a copy. You won't be disappointed. Absolutely beautiful. Whether it's the collector's edition, the standard edition, it is just something else. If things like, you know, Dagenham, Aces Cafe, the Cork Ford plant in Ireland mean anything to you, the mules that they use to build these, the Capri 4, the various designs that I've heard about but never saw, even in some of those early 80s car shows that we all saw, the Probe 3. This is just, you know, something else. And again, it's like those, I thought I knew everything. I know nothing. So huge big thanks to Mr. Steve Saxty and his wife for putting up with him while he put this together for us. And enjoy. This is something else available from stevesaxty.com. Do yourself a favour. Get yourself a copy. Absolutely beautiful.